If you're experiencing billing issues with Spotify, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review subscription status. In the Accounts section, check your subscription status. Ensure that your subscription is active and that there are no pending payments or issues that could affect your access to the service. Step 3. Look for email notifications. Check your email for any notifications from Spotify regarding billing issues. They may have sent you an email explaining the problem or requesting additional information to resolve it. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Spotify's customer support. You can do this through the help section on their website or via the app. Provide them with details about your billing issue for quick assistance. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your payment method and subscription status to avoid future problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Spotify. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.